Okay, guys, today we're going to be doing the volume of triangular prisms. So this is how a triangular prism looks like. Our bases are triangles. So this is a triangle right here, and then this back one would be a triangle as well. And then it has three faces that are rectangles, okay, just like our nets. Okay, so to find the formula of a triangular prism, it's just like with our, our formula for the rectangular prism. So any prism is going to have this formula. Volume equals big B times H. So big B is the area of the base and then times the height. So in this case, a triangular prism, our base is a triangle. So I need to find the area of the triangle first and then multiply it by the height of the prism. This length that connects the two bases. Okay, so we want to identify the bases, find the area of it, and then multiply by the height. Okay, so let's do some examples. Open this up. Let's get you zoomed in. Why is it not zooming in? Hold on 1 second, guys. Let me try to figure this out. Okay, so this one says the dimensions of a block of cheese are in the shape of a block of cheese in the shape of a triangular prism are shown below. So this is my triangular prism. What is the best estimate of the volume of the block of cheese in cubic centimeters? So the best estimate, that means it'll be close to what we have there, okay? So we want to first identify our base, and because it's a triangular prism, that means the triangle is my base, okay? Which means this 10 is the height. So this is my H right here. Okay, what's going on with this? Uh-oh. Let me try to figure this out, guys. Okay, so let's look at this. So if we look down here, the dimensions of my triangle are 6 and 4. So it would be the base of the triangle is 6 and the height of the triangle is 4. And then the height of the whole prism is 10. Okay. Let's see if this fixes it. I don't know what's going on, guys. Okay, I'm going to just go without this, and I'm going to do it like this. Okay, so the area of the base means I'm going to do the area of the triangle. So the area of a triangle, remember, is 1/2 the base, which right here is 6, times the height, which is 4. Okay, so I can do 1/2 of 6, which is 3, and then 3 times 4, which would give me 12. Okay, same thing if I did 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24, and 1/2 of that is 12. So it's the same thing. So the area of my base is 12, and then I'm going to multiply it by the height. So I'm going to do 12 times 10, guys. And when I multiply by 10, all I have to do is take that number, because 12 times 1 is 12, and then add a 0 onto it. And that would mean it's 120. So that would be my answer, 120 centimeters cubed. Centimeters cubed. And that's my answer right there. Okay. Okay. So then let's go to the next one. Let's do another one. The dimensions of a tent in the shape of a triangular prism are shown below. Okay. So 5 by 3.5 feet by 7.3 feet. What is the best estimate of the volume of the tent in cubic feet? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the area of the base. That's my triangle here, right? So base times height times 1/2. 1/2 times the base is 3.5 times 5. Okay. So I'm going to do 5 times 3.5. Which is 25, 15, 17. Okay. And there's one decimal, one behind the decimal, so it's 17.5. And then I'm taking take half of that. So So I'm going to divide 17.5 divided by 2. 2 goes into 17 8 times because that's 16. This decimal goes up to right here. 2 goes into 15 7 times. That's 14. And then 2 goes into 10 5 times. Okay. And then I'm going to take that, it's that 8.75 right here, okay, and multiply it by 7.3. 8.75 times 7.3. Okay, so we're going to do 8.75, 75 times 7.3. Okay, remember on multiplication, you don't have to line up the decimals. You just got to multiply. The decimals come in the answer, okay? So I'm going to do 5 times 3, that's 15. 3 times 7, that's 21 plus 1 is 22. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 2 is 26. Put a 0 because we're in the tens place now. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 3 is 52. 7 times 8 is 56 plus 5 is 61. Okay, and then add 5, 7, 8, 3, 6. And I have 1, 2, 3 numbers behind a decimal, so I'm going to put 3 numbers there. So 63 point, I'm going to say 88. So that 5 rounds to 7, 2, and 8 feet cubed. Okay, and that's all there is to it, guys. Find the area of the triangle, then multiply it by the height. The only number that you haven't used, okay? So you should end up using all 3 numbers when you are done with this, okay? If you're just doing 5 times 3.5 and then taking half of that and then multiplying it by 5 again, we're not doing the same. This 7.3 needs to be used too, okay? Okay, yes, we're done. Okay, so your assignment is on IXL today. It's on IXL today. Let me pull that up for you. It is going to be the code URT. URT. So it should be volume of cubes and prisms. URT. Volume of cubes and prisms. Okay, so you're going to be doing the volume of cubes, which is just side times side times side, 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, you're also going to be doing the volume of rectangular prisms and triangular prisms. So let me try to find one. So there's a rectangular prism. Remember, 3 times 2 times 10. And then triangular prisms. Let me see if I can find one of those for you. Triangular prisms are just like what we did today. Area of the base. Here we go. Area of the base. So 6 times 4 divided by 2. 6 times 4 is 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. Okay. That's all we're doing. You only have to get to an 80. Oh, sorry. But if you want to go and get 100, then go ahead, okay? But that's all for today. I hope you guys have a great day. You know how to get a hold of me if you have questions. Thanks. Bye.